Hello viewers and welcome to another session of architectural plan. In the last session we created a planter area. In this session we will add some CAD blocks to that specific area which will show a representation of trees and plants. Let's insert the blocks at an approximate distance from the main architectural plan so that they could be copied and placed at required positions. For this reason, the plants layer has been activated and then the blocks are being copied and placed in the planter area, which was hatched in the last session. So this is how we have copied and then placed randomly at several places. Here you have seen small traces of hatch. As I mentioned in the last session that a hatch must not be exploded. And in case you have exploded a hatch, you must recheck all the work thoroughly because some traces are still left at unwanted area. Like here you have seen small traces were removed now in this session. However, they must have been removed in the previous step so that once you move forward, you don't have to go back again and again, as it will save your time and increase the efficiency of your overall work. So this was all about this session, as you have seen how to insert a block from your library, explode the two in order to get individual block, and later on we have seen how they are being copied and pasted at all several required points. Let's call it a day. See you in the next session. Till then, take care.